Introducing Sleep Solutions by Purebaby. I've got a great new innovative product to talk you through today, which is part of this new range. It's called the Comfort Suit Wrap. And it's designed with functionality and practicality in mind to assist with sleep for newborns. So it has some great features and benefits, such as a double layered 100% organic cotton quilting, which is made to obviously have better breathability and comfort for your little one throughout the evening. It's got a great wrap over style, which means you don't have to worry about pulling anything over your little one's head. It's got an elasticated inner pouch to keep your little one feeling secure and snug. It's also got a great zip function at the bottom, and this zip function is just designed to make nappy time changing at night super easy. You don't have to fully undress your baby, which is fabulous. So I'm going to now actually dress the baby, this little newborn, in our comfort suit, so you can see how easy it is just to dress your baby in the comfort suit. So we'll move our little one to the side and we'll get that all set up and ready. So we're just going to undo the tie at the side, undo the little clips there, and then we're going to lay our little one in the middle, just there. And the first step is obviously to put little feet in, so we're going to do that. And obviously that's going to keep them feeling nice and snug and warm. Then arms go in next, and obviously that's going to keep, these long sleeves are going to keep little one's arms nice and warm. Then we're going to fold the right side over first, and we're going to do up the little clasp on that side. And then we're going to do the other side up with the other clasp there. And then we've got a little tie to secure further. Now this is a great wrap or a great comfort suit, because it's got plenty of room for the hips, so we don't want to have anything too tight around the hips because it may cause hip dysplasia, so it's hip friendly, which is great. And there's plenty of movement and natural placement of the hips, which is fantastic. Has those press studs, as you can see, to secure it, keeping them really comfortable and warm. It also has a great seatbelt function. So this just means that when you're out and about in the pram and you want to secure your baby in the pram, you can simply feed the securing bit through the middle here and fasten the baby into there. Then when you get to your destination or back home and you want to place them into their sleep space, transferring is super easy. Just undoing that and pulling that through and then placing the baby into their sleep space, which is great. And as I said, the easy opening at the bottom, which I'll quickly demonstrate now, is great, because obviously then having to change the nappy middle of the night is really easy, just having to open that, change the nappy and then do that back up, which again, like we said, is just great. You don't have to obviously undress the baby completely when you're wanting to change the nappy middle of the night. It's a 1.5 TOG rating, which is for room temperatures between 20 to 24 degrees. So that's wonderful, because that's going to make sure the baby is feeling comfortable throughout those temperatures. You won't need to place any other bedding on top, because this is a replacement of any other bedding, as is sleeping bags. So this is designed for babies from 0 to 3 months of age. It comes in 3 beautiful colours, this gorgeous grey. Then we've got the beautiful pink, which is lovely. And then we've got the little baby blue. So you've got a great range of colours to choose from there as well. It's recommended by the Gentle Sleep Specialist, so it comes with an amazing recommendation. So thank you so much for your time today. I hope this has been useful and helpful for you today. Sleep well, everyone.